Good morning. It is Sunday the 16th, so Vlogmas day 16. Not gonna lie, I slacked and I'm gonna do 14 and 15 together because I didn't get to edit 14 yesterday, which would have been up yesterday, and then 15 would be up today, so I'm just gonna combine them. I feel like Vlogmas people don't really care that they get combined because I think people realize that, you know, life happens and life either gets busy or not. I mean, I could upload like 14 in the morning and 15 at night. I could do that, although it's already 11:24. Yeah, we went to our friend's house last night, which you would have seen, although the jacket I'm wearing also kind of looks like the sweater I wore yesterday, which ironically Mike was like, yeah, just wear your ugly sweater, you didn't even need to buy it, just wear your jacket. And I was like, I'm watching you. So we had a great time. It was so much fun. I went to McDonald's this morning. That's where I'm driving home from because I don't drink ever. I drink maybe, I didn't say ever, I drink one time a year, maybe two, and last night was my night. I was just feeling it. I had just been busy, a little stressed. I just needed to let loose and just have a good time with my husband and my BFF, and it was a great time. And I hate drinking, but it wasn't that bad. I did it right because I don't drink, so I just do shots. And my shot of choice is Crown and Cranberry. You're supposed to make like a mixed drink usually with them, like a royal flush, and you're supposed to add, like, is it peach schnapps, I think? But I just cheat and just do Crown and Cranberry because it gets the job done, and I mix it and then shake it with ice because it was not cold. But eventually it got cold, so it was good. I drank responsibly. We Ubered, and so we went and got my car this morning, and well, this morning, it's still morning technically, but just went home, and so now I'm getting breakfast because I slept in. It felt so good. Your girl has not slept, and I slept so well. So that is this morning, and that is what's going on now. So I'm going to eat, I'm going to edit, I'm gonna do laundry, my life is a disaster up here. It literally is absolutely terrible. Like, my house is a mess, and someone is being super needy. Yeah, that's you. That's you. And there's shit everywhere, so I'm kicking it. That's you in mom's chair. Yes. Yes. Hello. What are you doing? Mom was gonna film. Yeah. Mom can't film anymore? Okay. All right, had to move because Mickey is on my chair. I don't know if you can see him. Yeah. Oh yeah, short nails. I feel like I don't think I filmed it for you guys. Sorry. And it will be on my other channel. Probably, although it's like right before Christmas. So maybe I'll do, no, I'm doing snowflakes and then this one, and then I think the other one I can get away with. So yeah, I probably have makeup down my face. Actually, I think I do. Viewfinder's too far away. I'm too damn tired to look at it. So I went ahead and did my Winter Plannerland stuff, and then this was last night. So, you know, this is a lot easier to be into yourself and just take one picture and that be that. So I'll literally show you putting pictures in my, did I say Bojo? I mean Hobonichi. So this was literally Monday. I was so tired. I took my contacts out Sunday, had them on. So Sunday, I had my glasses on, Monday and Tuesday. I never wear my glasses. So your girl was tired, but I want to go ahead and finish up this week in here because I'm trying to back plan or back memory keep. This is more memory keeping versus like actual planning, although if one day was like super busy with planning, I'm gonna put that in here. So let's take some pictures because I was lazy. Okay, all right, so I figure, I guess, I don't know, should I continue this way? I don't know if I'm gonna flip this. I'm assuming I'm flipping this, but let's zoom in a little bit. So I will keep it this way because I'm gonna be flipping it. Maybe not, I don't know. So Thursday I didn't really do anything, so I figured it'd be perfect to cut this out. This was actually from the program, and I thought this was so cute, so naturally I wanted it in there. So I just like die cut it around and put it in there. Oh, and then we're done. That's everything. So Friday, this is when I met Tabitha. I have 2 pictures of us because she was my partner in crime all weekend, and seriously, she is the cutest and sweetest. If you don't follow her, you absolutely need to. She is so genuine. I absolutely love her. And then we hung out with Kane and Lauren a lot. So these are kind of like the people I hung out with probably the most. And then I did meeting famous planner people here. So I have Scribble Prints Co., Mommy Lay, and then Simply Gilded, Mandy, and Once More with Love, or Marg. And then these are people that were at my table, or also really nice people that I met that I hung out again multiple times. So I didn't want to just put like random people, like people that I actually made a connection with. There were so many, and I had like 8 or 9, yeah. I had 9 pictures, but they were so tiny that I couldn't like see them. So I just kind of narrowed it down, but obviously I put a bunch of people in my actual video. So this is kind of just like a little thing. So Tony, so ironically, she was me. So on my badge, I actually had her Instagram name. So I messaged her. I didn't know she was at Winter Plannerland. I thought they just messed up, and so I took a picture of like my badge. Do I have it up here? I do. It's just not, where is it? I don't know where it is. It's somewhere. And so like the badge is like here, and then it has your Instagram name. So I had her Instagram name, which was hilarious. And so I messaged her, I was like, I'm you. And then I end up sitting next to her in like our table. So this is our table, which I thought was really fun, which it's gonna be really hard for you guys to see. Let me see if I can get it to focus on that. So this was our table. And then Ben, obviously he was in my first vlog. And then Genevieve, which like, isn't she just beautiful? There we go. She's so pretty, like, I'm jealous. And then again, I had my glasses on, so that was that. So this is like my little Winter Plannerland, like, cheating to do this. Like, I mean, I have some good ones in here. Like when we went to Seattle. Let's see, yeah. Like this one was probably my favorite one that I ever did. And I debated doing Winter Plannerland like that as well, but this was more scenery, not necessarily people. Although obviously me and my husband are here, but like, I thought about it and I didn't want to commit that much time to it. Although this is obviously I loved this one. So, I mean, maybe I should have done it this way, but I kind of cheated and went just full on here. So maybe I'll put like some washi. I wish I had Winter Plannerland washi. That would have been awesome, but I don't. So I did do some back planning. I think I have most of December done. Like, I should say, I think I have all of December. So today is the 16th, which I think I had mentioned already. I'm sure I have. It's 8:30. So I finished December and I'm trying to go back into November and September and October, and those were my challenging months. So going back through those kind of suck, I'm not gonna lie. I haven't started in November. November was definitely better, but I haven't started there. I did actually go back to October, which you wouldn't think I would want to, but we did go to the Formula 1 race in October. September, October. I'm still in September. And look how cute this one is though. This is in December. I thought that one was cute. And I want to do, what I should have done for Winter Plannerland is what I did for Seattle when we took our trip to Seattle. And I'm really bummed I didn't do it, but it's not the end of the world. When did we go to Seattle? Is it March? Yeah, I think I may have April. I may have showed you already. And this would have been in my old vlog. It would have been on the default. So I think for Formula 1, I'm gonna do that. And then we also went for 4th of July. I didn't do 4th of July because I knew I wanted to do it somewhere as well. Like I wanted it to be cute, so I don't think I did July. Like this was June. That was like one of those things. I'm not very political, like at all. But that one kind of struck a nerve. I know it was just bad fashion statement, but it didn't speak very good. So yeah, I have 4th of July weekend, and that was kind of a funny weekend. So I need to figure out how to get my pictures off my other computer, but it's totally messed up. But yeah, she's getting a little thick, just like me. It's fine. I can't stop eating. Does anyone else have that problem during the holidays? I literally can't stop eating. Although I don't think my Winter Plannerland one is bad. It's just pictures and pictures. Although I'm in like every picture, so does that just mean I'm really into myself? It's fine. And then I did this one, which I may have talked about already. So we had the ugly sweater contest. Not contest, party. And I think I won because I thought it was so cute. It was supposed to be a long sweater, but it wasn't. So yeah, there's that. And I really want to finish this. I'm getting one for 2019, I think. As in, I asked Santa to bring me one. So I need to, what I really should do is just go back from the beginning, February. So like I can say, okay, up to July is done. Like commit to like sections being finished. Like maybe do it by quarters. Maybe that's what I should do. So yeah, I'm actually about to edit you and combine 2 vlogs because I haven't been uploading. Although every 2 days I kind of like, since I did that yesterday, the day before. So I have been enjoying that. And I put laundry in the dryer, so I'm doing that. I have to go into work tomorrow instead of work from home, but then I'll work from home on Tuesday. And then, was it Tuesday? Then Wednesday I have off, Thursday I have off, and then Friday I think I'm doing a half day. So, and then I have the rest of the week off, like the following week. I'm so excited. So yeah, I will see you guys later. All right, so I finished the rest of the Winter Plannerland. I did use a clear or white with silver, and so obviously everything else is silver, so it matches, and I love it so much. I added some more bows because this week wasn't too exciting, like as far as plans go, because essentially I was just prepping for Winter Plannerland. So you'll see like chunks of like things that I had to do. This was very list heavy on the side here, and then this was list heavy for when I got home because I was doing all my editing. And then this was this past week, which today is Sunday, and this is probably one of my favorites I've done in a very long time. Although this one was also a favorite, which was the like one that I said I wanted snow like throwing up on it. And then, you know, this obviously cute too. And then I took a break, aka I forgot to plan. Is this Thanksgiving week? No, Thanksgiving was the week before. So I may just go lay a kit down or something, or look at my photos. And then I gotta do this week, and I have to do a plan with me. I haven't done a plan with me in like 2 weeks. Bad planner person. And so yeah, I need to edit still though, and it's 9 o'clock.